foods that could help boost your immunity. Certain foods may aid in the maintenance of a healthy immune system. Plan your meals to include these powerful immune system boosters if you're looking for ways to prevent colds, flu, and other infections. When the body is weak and out of balance, it is more vulnerable to infection. Immunity and health can be harmed by difficult-to-digest foods or unhealthy eating habits. It takes a lot of common sense to build a healthy immune system. An important note. With the COVID-19 pandemic, it's especially important to understand that no supplement, diet, or other lifestyle modification can protect you from COVID-19 other than physical distancing, also known as social distancing, proper hygiene practices, and vaccination. Currently, no research supports the use of any supplement to specifically protect against COVID-19. Here are some herbs, spices, and other foods that support the immune system. Kiwi fruit are naturally high in essential nutrients such as folate, potassium, vitamin K, vitamin C, and dietary fiber, and they have a number of health benefits. This fruit can help with heart health, digestion, and immunity. The kiwi is a healthy fruit choice, and its low calorie count makes it a tasty and healthy option for snacking, sides, or a unique dessert. Black pepper. This healing spice reduces intestinal gas and warms the body, causing sweating, which aids in the removal of toxins from the body. It is known that black pepper has anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, antibacterial, and fever-reducing properties, as well as immune-boosting properties. Red bell peppers. Think again if you believe citrus fruits have the highest vitamin C content of any fruit or vegetable. Red bell peppers have nearly 3 times the vitamin C content of an orange, ounce for ounce. They are also high in beta-carotene. Vitamin C may help you maintain healthy skin in addition to boosting your immune system. Beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A, aids in the health of your eyes and skin. Broccoli is high in vitamins and minerals. Broccoli is one of the healthiest vegetables you can eat because it is high in vitamins A, C, and E, as well as fiber and many other antioxidants. The key to preserving its potency is to cook it as little as possible, if at all. Steaming is the best method for retaining more nutrients in food. Spinach is high in vitamin C and also contains numerous antioxidants and beta-carotene, both of which may help our immune systems fight infections. Spinach, like broccoli, is healthiest when cooked as little as possible to preserve its nutrients. Light cooking, on the other hand, improves absorption of vitamin A and allows other nutrients to be released from oxalic acid. Garlic is a popular home remedy for colds and other illnesses. Its value in fighting infections was recognized by early civilizations. Garlic may also help lower blood pressure and slow the hardening of the arteries. Garlic's immune-boosting properties appear to be due to a high concentration of sulfur-containing compounds like allicin. Garlic can be found in almost every cuisine on the planet. Ginger is used in a variety of dishes and desserts, as well as teas. Ginger acts as an elixir for our bodies. Its anti-inflammatory properties alleviate aches and nausea. Ginger can aid in the relief of a sore throat and other inflammatory illnesses. Turmeric. For years, this bright yellow spice has been used as an anti-inflammatory in the treatment of osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis. Turmeric consumption may improve a person's immune response. Turmeric's distinctive color is due to high curcumin concentrations. Its medicinal properties can be greatly enhanced when combined with honey. Turmeric and honey are both antimicrobial, which means they can fight both bacterial and viral infections. Citrus fruits. After catching a cold, most people reach for vitamin C. This is due to the fact that it aids in the development of your immune system. Vitamin C is thought to boost the production of white blood cells, which are essential for fighting infections. Vitamin C levels are high in almost all citrus fruits. With so many options, it's simple to incorporate this vitamin into any meal. Popular citrus fruits include grapefruit, oranges, clementines, tangerines, lemons and limes. Because your body doesn't produce or store it, you need daily vitamin C for continued health. The recommended daily amount for most adults is 75 milligrams for women and 90 milligrams for men. If you opt for supplements, avoid taking more than 2,000 milligrams a day. Also keep in mind that while vitamin C might help you recover from a cold quicker, there's no evidence yet that it's effective against COVID-19. Yogurt. Look for yogurts that say live and active cultures on the label, such as Greek yogurt. These cultures may help your immune system fight diseases by stimulating it. Purchase plain yogurt rather than flavored and sugar-laden varieties. Instead, you can sweeten plain yogurt with fresh fruits and a drizzle of honey. Yogurt can also be a good source of vitamin D, so look for brands that are fortified with this vitamin. Vitamin D is thought to boost our body's natural defenses against diseases by helping to regulate the immune system. Almonds. Vitamin E often takes a back seat to vitamin C when it comes to preventing and fighting colds. This potent antioxidant, on the other hand, is essential for a healthy immune system. It's a fat-soluble vitamin, which means it needs fat to be absorbed properly. Almonds, for example, are high in vitamin E and also contain healthy fats. Adults require only about 15 milligrams of vitamin E per day. A half-cup serving of almonds, which is approximately 46 whole, shelled almonds, provides approximately 100% of the daily recommended amount. Sunflower seeds are high in nutrients such as phosphorus, magnesium, and vitamins B6 and E. Vitamin E aids in the regulation and maintenance of immune system function. Avocados and dark leafy greens are two other foods high in vitamin E. Sunflower seeds have a high selenium content as well. 1 ounce contains nearly half of the selenium that the average adult requires on a daily basis. A number of studies, mostly on animals, have looked into its ability to combat viral infections such as swine flu. Green tea. Flavonoids, a type of antioxidant, are abundant in both green and black teas. Green tea really shines when it comes to levels of epiglycatechin gallate, EGCG, another potent antioxidant. EGCG has been shown in studies to improve immune function. A large portion of the EGCG in black tea is destroyed during the fermentation process. Green tea, on the other hand, is steamed rather than fermented, preserving the EGCG. Green tea is also high in the amino acid L-theanine. L-theanine may help your T cells produce germ-fighting compounds. Another fruit high in vitamin C is papaya. A single medium fruit contains twice the daily recommended amount of vitamin C. Papayas also contain papain, a digestive enzyme with anti-inflammatory properties. Papayas are high in potassium, magnesium, and folate, all of which are good for your overall health. Vitamin C helps white blood cells fight infection, while the other nutrients in papaya keep the rest of your body running smoothly. Blueberries contain a type of flavonoid called anthocyanin, which has antioxidant properties that can help boost a person's immune system. Researchers found that people who ate foods rich in flavonoids were less likely to get an upper respiratory tract infection or common cold than those who did not. Dark chocolate contains theobromine, an antioxidant that may help to boost the immune system by protecting the body's cells from free radicals. Free radicals are molecules produced by the body when it digests food or comes into contact with pollutants. Free radicals can cause cell damage and may contribute to disease. Despite its potential health benefits, dark chocolate is high in calories and saturated fat, so consume it in moderation. Oily fish. Omega-3 fatty acids are abundant in salmon, tuna, pilchards, and other oily fish. Long-term consumption of omega-3 fatty acids may lower the risk of rheumatoid arthritis. Rheumatoid arthritis is a chronic autoimmune disease in which the immune system mistakenly attacks a healthy part of the body. Sweet potatoes are rich in beta-carotene, a type of antioxidant that gives the skin of the potatoes its orange color. Beta-carotene is a source of vitamin A. It helps to make skin healthy and may even provide some protection against skin damage from ultraviolet (UV) rays.